So here's a problem. We don't have anything on the S meter. Now maybe it'll eventually start scanning again. So this thing, I've noticed, we're picking up noise again. Like, I don't know what it is. It could be nearby interference from my solar, but so we're unable to scan due to the fact that it's just, and I've turned the squelch up really high. I turned it up all the way, but it's not blocking out the noise at all. And it's only certain repeaters that are programmed in here that seem to pick the noise up. But there's definitely an issue with this thing. There's 300 and something things programmed in this, so it takes quite a long time for it to go through. And when it stops somewhere, it'll resume scan, which is nice because we had that rad tail that wouldn't do that. So I don't see anything here. There's nothing on the S meter. You see? There's nothing on the S meter at all. We have nothing. Now, I don't know. I just want what this thing scanned just to see. I don't know. It might have the same amount of stuff on it. And then I'll put an antenna on it. So we'll have to skip through that. So there's no alpha tag on the other one, so I don't know. We got BFO on the top. I think that they are the same. So what I should be able to do is compare them scanning. Just put an antenna on the other one. I don't know, just right there. Doesn't make sense. Some people on FRS. You know, I don't understand how do schools get away with using FRS, GMRS for the school? Like, isn't that illegal? Anyway, there's a bunch of schools around here. They use FRS. First I thought maybe it was like a daycare place or something.
Scanning begin.
Let's see if the other one now gets screwed up on the same one.
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
So it got stuck on that one. There's no signal there. There's nothing that I can see, but I know it's receiving. And Pinal Peak is very far from here. Maybe 200 miles, I don't know. So anyway, both of them stopped on that one for no reason, over and over. On the other radio, I eventually just deleted it because what happens is it just locks on that signal. There's nothing to be heard, and you can't scan. It did skip, I think, the 70 centimeter call. Yeah, it skipped it, so it didn't get stuck on that. Maybe we're just move the radio. See if it does anything differently. So there's Pinal Peak again. And I've seen this happen from time to time on certain radios. It tried to stop. Do you see that? We heard it break for a second. So let's go ahead and try this now. I'll just undo this. Okay. Okay, so that's what it's doing right there on that one. I'll go ahead and
Scanning stop. 0, 0, 3.
so these radios are both programmed the same. And supposedly both have the same hardware. The RSI meter. So I'd say that radio is less sensitive. I guess it does show up on that one too. Now, I don't know what the frequency of that is offhand. Same crap. But at least this one.
Menu. Squelch. Confirm.
See, I don't understand that. The signal shows to be weak, but you turn the squelch up to all the way and you cannot stop the signal from coming into the radio at all. S9 signal would make sense, but it's not. But you see right here, it's not. And in fact, this one, it doesn't even necessarily want to break the squelch when it's scanning. With this one, it does. And with the squelch all the way up, I can't block it out. And it's just a little tiny signal, according to this. So, I'm not sure what the deal is there. Anyway.